Jai Hind teachers, I am your friend Renu Barut. Here I am to introduce you to a short module on creating Google Forms, which can be used to make worksheets, online tests, and for receiving information. Google Forms is a web-based app used to create forms for data collection purposes. Students and teacher can use Google Forms to make surveys, quizzes, or event registration sheets. The form is web-based and can be shared with respondents by sending a link, emailing a message, or embedding it into a web page or blog post. Data gathered using this form is typically stored in a spreadsheet. This module will include creating Google Form, sending it, receiving the responses, creating online test or quiz, and then checking the responses in different forms. Alright, here is the first topic. To create Google Form, we need to log in using our Gmail account. My Gmail account is already opened on this computer, so I will straight away start with creating the form. Type www.google.com/forms in the address bar. Then you will be directed to this page. Click on blank to start with the new form. Okay, change the heading. Yes, teachers, there are different types of questions you can include in your form. Alright, first question is name, and we are taking it as short answer type, and we don't want it to be left blank, so we are clicking on required. Add the next question. It is date of birth. We will take it as date type, means one can fill out any date in this box. Required, yes. Next question. Gender, we will take it as multiple choice. People can choose between set of options and can choose only one option. We are taking two options as male and female. Next question. Alright, city, we take it as drop down, means by clicking on this option a list will get displayed and one can choose from the list. So it means we are making a list. New Delhi, Jaipur, and Mumbai. Next question, click on plus sign. Hobbies. Okay, we will take it as checkbox type. So one can choose more than one option if it is checkbox type. Yes, we are done with the form. Okay, let's see the final look by clicking on the preview button. This is the final look of the form. Okay, if you want to change it further, then again click on the edit form mode. We are back for editing. This time we will change its appearance. We want to insert image in the header. We are selecting an image. Alright, see, Okay, so it is changed. We can change the background color. We can change the order of the questions. See, I am changing the order also. So this is so easy. Alright. Let's move further and see how to share the form. We can share the link by clicking on send button. Form can be shared using mail or through link. We have clicked on link. After getting the link, we can further shorten the URL and then we can copy it. Now you can send this link to anyone through your mail. Alright.
Now one important thing. Where are your forms get stored? They get saved in your Google Drive. So, if you want to look at the responses, you will open your Google Drive and will select the form. Alright, let's check the responses.
Alright, there are 4 responses. Click on responses. There are 3 tabs: summary, question and individual. When we click on summary, it will show you graphical output of the responses. Yes, it is in the form of pie chart. If you click on question, it will show you question wise response. Yes, and yes, if we click on third option, individual, yes, then one form at a time will get displayed. See, this is the second form of Ajay, one form at a time. And now we will click on green button to see the responses in the Excel form. Click on create. And you will get the result in Excel sheet. Okay, can you see there are 4 responses: Soumya, Ajay, Rajul and Amit. Interesting? Fine.
Okay, now we are familiar with creating forms and worksheets. Let's start with creating quizzes or online tests using the forms.
This time, in place of clicking on blank, we are clicking on blank quiz. Okay, format is same. We will change the heading first. First question, smallest prime number. We are making online test. Write all the options. We have taken it as multiple choice. Okay, now here is the difference. We will record the right answer here itself, clicking on the answer key. Click on the answer key. What is the right answer? 2. Click here. And now clicking here, we can give the marks to the question. Next question. Greatest 5-digit number. Take it as multiple choice. Give the options. Okay, we will record the right answer. Clicking on answer key, choose the right option. Yes, give the marks to the question. Done. So this way we can create online test or quizzes. Fine. Okay, now there are 3 responses. So we'll click on individual. If you click here, you can see one form at a time. This is the answer sheet of Alok. Okay, and if we click on green button, we get the Excel sheet. Click on create. Once you have the data in the form of Excel sheet, you can easily arrange it, sort it. You can see the performance of the children. Yes, and this is the Excel sheet for this Google form. Clearly we can see the score of first child, 4 out of 6, 6 by 6, 2 by 6. Fine. Hope you have understood how to create and use Google Forms. If you have any query, please let me know. I will be happy to address it. Thank you.